Hello and welcome! Today we're going on a journey together, not with a real airplane, but with English words and conversations. This video is all about travel English, the most useful phrases and dialogues you need when traveling abroad. Imagine this. You're at the airport. You check in your luggage, go through security, find your gate, and board the plane. Then you arrive in a new country. Take a taxi, check into your hotel, order food at a restaurant, go sightseeing, and maybe even face a small emergency. Sounds exciting, right? But it can also feel stressful if you don't know the right English words to use. That's why this lesson is interactive. I'll teach you useful travel phrases. You'll listen to short conversations. And most importantly, you'll practice speaking aloud. Whenever you hear me say, "Repeat after me," you repeat the phrase. Pause and answer, you say your own answer out loud. Don't be shy. Even if you're alone in your room, speak out loud. That's how fluency grows. So, are you ready to pack your English suitcase and travel with me? Let's begin our English travel adventure. Our journey begins at the airport. You need to check in, go through security, and find your boarding gate. Let's learn some key phrases. Repeat after me. Where is the check-in counter? I'd like to check in for my flight. Here is my passport and ticket. What time does boarding start? Where is the boarding gate? Listen to this short conversation. Hello, where is the check-in counter for Qatar Airways?
It's just down this hall, on the left.
Thank you. Hello, I'd like to check in for my flight to London.
Of course. May I see your passport and ticket?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, one suitcase.
Perfect. Your bag is checked in. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B12, and boarding begins at 7:30 p.m.
Thank you very much. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. I'd like to check in for my flight. Here is my passport and ticket. What time does boarding start? Good. Now answer these questions out loud. What airline are you flying with? Where is your boarding gate? Say your answers out loud. You arrive in a new city. Now you need transportation. Let's practice English for taxis. Repeat after me. Can you take me to Grand Palace Hotel? How much is the fare? Can you please use the meter? Can you drop me here? Now, listen to this short demo conversation. Hello, can you take me to the Grand Palace Hotel?
Sure. Do you want me to use the meter?
Yes, please. How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
Great, thank you. Now practice. Can you take me to the airport? How long will it take? Can you please use the meter? Imagine you just landed in New York. Say aloud, "Hello, can you take me to Times Square, please?" Next stop, the hotel. You need to check in, ask about services, and maybe request something. Repeat after me. I have a reservation. What time is breakfast served? Can I have a late checkout? Is Wi-Fi included? Listen to this short conversation. Good evening. I have a reservation under the name Sarah.
Welcome, Sarah. May I see your ID and credit card?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. You'll be staying for 3 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Your room is 502. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m., and Wi-Fi is free. Do you need help with your luggage?
No, thank you. That's all.
Enjoy your stay.
Now, repeat. I have a reservation. What time is breakfast served? Can I have a late checkout? Now, answer out loud. What's your name? How many nights are you staying? Travel means trying new food. Let's learn how to order at a restaurant. Repeat after me. Could I see the menu, please? I'd like to order grilled chicken. Can I have some water? Could we have the bill, please? Listen to this short conversation.
Good evening. Table for 2?
Yes, please.
Here's the menu. Would you like something to drink?
Just water for now.
What would you like to order?
I'll have the grilled chicken with rice.
And for you?
I'll take the pasta.
Great. I'll bring your order soon.
Now repeat. Could I see the menu, please? I'd like to order grilled chicken. Could we have the bill, please? When traveling, you'll need to ask for directions. Repeat after me. Excuse me, how can I get to the museum? Is it far from here? Can I walk there? Which bus goes to the station? Listen to this short conversation. Excuse me, how can I get to the National Museum?
It's not far. Just walk straight and turn right at the second traffic light.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit.
Now repeat. Excuse me, how can I get to the station? Is it far from here? Can I walk there? Sometimes things don't go perfectly. Let's learn English for emergencies. Repeat after me. I lost my passport. Can you help me, please? I need a doctor. Where is the nearest pharmacy? I'd like to file a police report. Listen to this short conversation. Excuse me, I lost my passport.
I'm sorry to hear that. Did you check your room?
Yes, it's not there. What should I do?
You should contact your embassy immediately. I can give you the phone number.
Thank you so much for your help. Now, repeat. I lost my passport. I need a doctor. Where is the nearest pharmacy? Wow, today we traveled a lot together. Let's quickly review. At the airport, check-in and boarding. In a taxi, asking for a ride. At the hotel, reservations and services. At a restaurant, ordering food. Sightseeing, asking for directions. Emergencies, asking for help. You've practiced real travel English. Remember, fluency comes from speaking out loud. So listen to this video again. Pause, repeat, and practice daily. Thank you for learning with me today. If you enjoyed this travel English lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other learners. Until next time, safe travels and happy English learning.